Guys, we've had an Ebox 2 dropped off today for some customization work. Let's transform it. So first things first, let's get these old OEM bars swapped out for the Megalith pit speeds. We'll just take all the controls off the bars and we'll get the bars stuck on there. So we'll take the brakes off, take the kill switch off and take the grips off and the throttle. And a little tip for the grip, sometimes the grip's really stubborn to get off, but you don't want to be putting any oil or anything down there as the grip will never seat properly again. Just get a bit of brake cleaner, put that down, lubricate the grip a little bit, and you should be able to, without too much difficulty, twist the grip off, and then the brake cleaner will dry, leaving no oily residue. It's time to get the Megalith pit speeds on there with the rise. It's now time to get these personalised graphics installed into the bike.